I'm gonna show you how to change your handle name or handle ID. Right here you see where it says at Welding and stuff, and if you don't put one in there, they assign you one. So I'm gonna show you how to change that. First, what you want to do is make sure you're in the studio view. You go up here to the top right and you click and you go to Studio, YouTube Studio. Once you go to YouTube Studio, you want to go over here to the left where it says customization. You click on it. Once you click there, you go to basic. Once you go to basic, you see handle. You could change that name. Let's try one. Let's just say Glenn. And you notice that right here, it says I can't use that because it's not available. So if I put 1, 2, 3, let's see if that's available. It's still not available. Let's try 1. That's available. So you can go through and try different things until that check mark comes. See that 4 is not available. 5, it's available. So I could change it to that. Once you get the name you want, if it's available, you can just go up here and hit publish. And that's all you have to do. And then it'll show up under your YouTube name. So that's how easy it is. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day.